You'll be going back to this recipe for double chocolate chip cookies again and again. They're easy to make and they come out great every time. Soft and chewy in the middle and crispy around the edges. So let's get started. So first you want to just start off with some softened butter. Then you add some brown sugar and white sugar and cream together. And then you add in 1 egg yolk. This recipe makes just 2 cookies, so you just need an egg yolk. And you cream that together. And then add in some vanilla, espresso powder, and cocoa powder. Whisk that in. And then you whisk in your dry ingredients, which are flour, baking soda, and salt. Don't overmix at this point, and then add in your mix-ins. I added some almonds and chocolate chips, and that's how it looks once it's done baking. They're so good. They're chewy and gooey in the middle and a little crispy around the edges. You have to make them.